Hey, good morning, I Anthony here. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. But let me ask you, do you have choices in life, or are you living according to somebody else's schedule? Is somebody else dictating your life for you? When you create residual income, you give yourself choices. You can go to work, spend your whole life working for linear income, which is going to work, trading your time for money, getting paid one time. Or you can be smart and create residual income, do something once, and you keep getting paid for it. I said there's plenty of ways that you can create residual income in this world. Network marketing is one of the best. You can create unlimited sources and unlimited streams of residual income. You can invest in cash flow producing assets. And as they compound and grow, they keep paying you passive income. It's a no-brainer, y'all. Stop spending your life working for earned money. Take the money that you're earning, because at one point you're going to have to earn the money to even start creating residual income. But take the money you're earning, invest in cash flow producing assets, while simultaneously building a home-based networking business. That way you can free yourself up to have more choices in life. Because again, the majority of people don't have choices. Just like every morning I wake up, I would do my miracle morning, take the dog out. We walk around, we watch all these people in their uniforms rushing off to work, pissed off, yelling at their kids because they're angry because they got to go to work and they're going to be late because their kids are making them late. Correct that. Start a home-based networking business that pays you weekly commissions plus monthly residuals, and there you go. It's a no-brainer. You get paid once for your services that you earn by referring other people to utilize the services. As they utilize the services, you get compensated. Plus, as they continue to utilize the services, you get repeat income. Money that keeps coming in monthly for something you did once. It's a no-brainer. And then I have multiple sources. I got the network marketing, home-based business. I have the online one at Shopping Club. So as people continue to shop for superior quality products, I continue to get a percentage of it, which creates reliable repeat income that comes in monthly whether I work or not. So it's a no-brainer, y'all. Create residual income that comes into your life. Whether it's a lot or a little bit, it don't matter. It'll keep compounding, it'll keep growing. As long as you keep putting the time and money in, or the time and effort into developing and growing it, you'll get there. But what's more rewarding than building something of your own, like a home-based networking business? What's more rewarding, doing that, or going to work, making somebody else's dreams reality while you get paid one time for your efforts? I would choose the home-based networking business, so I'm doing something once, getting compensated for it, plus creating residual income that keeps coming in whether I work or not. That way I can free up my time and give myself more choices. Because like I said, the majority of the population does not have choices. They can choose whether or not they wake up and go to work and or not. I'm gonna call off today, I'm gonna go to work today, I'm gonna get paid this week, I'm not gonna get paid this week. Like, people make a lot of money. Lawyers, doctors, engineers, they can make a lot of money. But it's linear income. They're doing something once and they're getting paid for it. It's awesome. It's like a salesperson. They sell something, they get paid one time for it. The real estate agent. They sell that house, bam, nice commission check. But if they buy rental properties every month, they get residual income. It's a no-brainer, y'all. Create residual income for yourself so you can have more choices and more free time to do what you want when you want. Then you don't have to spend your whole life rushing off making somebody else's dreams reality. Don't get me wrong, I make linear income with Grubhub. I use earnings from Grubhub to help pay down my debt quicker and invest in cash flow producing assets. And it gives me an opportunity to meet other people who don't own their lives but would like more out of life. So I share with them a way where they can get more out of life, which in turn helps me grow my home-based networking business. So be smart, y'all. Figure out what works for you and utilize it. Like I said, I'll be switching it up once I get all my debt paid off. Probably do Grubhub once or twice a week, and the rest of the time I'll focus fully on my home-based networking business. So 2024, I'm going to be at the top. Why not? Because you can start at the bottom. Like everyone else in network marketing, everybody starts at the bottom. And you can work your way to as big as you want. Sky's the limit. I never really got serious about it because I've had other ways of earning money that, I don't know, I just did. Like I said, I have 8 different ways I can actually earn money. So this lady I was talking to last night who was trying to pitch me on her Bitcoin trading and thinking it's an investment. I'm sorry, y'all. Bitcoin is not an investment. It is a speculation. Just like she says she flips houses too. I'm like, that's awesome. So where's your passive income coming from? Because everything you're doing is active income. Trading Bitcoin, you can make a nice chunk of change, but it's active work. Flipping houses, it's active. Like, be smart, y'all. Create residual passive income and give yourself freedom from having to work for money. It's no brainer. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know where you're getting your passive residual income from. Or let me know if you're just content with working for money for the rest of your life. Y'all be great.